Hello guys, I'm here with the detailed video of flower pallu drape. We're going to create it using the pallu itself. First check the length of the pallu you want and pin it up. Keep it little longer. Now from the pin, measure it with your palm like this and fold it downwards like this till the pin, and then put a rubber band to hold. Now spread out the fabric using both the ends and create a circle with this. If you find the flower a little bigger, you can just pull the pallu below the flower from both the sides. Because of the rubber band, it becomes easier to pull it, make it smaller or bigger. Now once the both ends meet, just pin them up like this, so there is no opening left. Now you can see a big flower is formed. With the help of rubber band, you can make it either smaller or bigger the way you want. Just spread it out neatly so that it is equal from all the sides. Now you can lift the pallu and place it on your shoulder and pull the pallu like this so that the flower gets smaller and it gets a beautiful look. You can see such a beautiful flower is formed. By pulling the fabric like this, it creates more pleats inside, giving it a normal flower look. And now pin up the pallu with your blouse and fix it up at your shoulder. Arrange the pleats neatly in the front. If there is a pin in the front, just take it out and pin it just below the flower in the front like this. Pin it with the blouse so that it doesn't move at all, and your flower pallu drape using the pallu itself is formed. You can also accessorize this flower using a brooch in the center of this flower if you like it, or you can just leave the flower as it is. Hope you like this different style of pallu draping. Do comment and like in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.